Some of us work in buildings with air conditioning. Students and teachers often are not as lucky.
No, Boston is filled with old school buildings that don't have AC, and WBZ's Paul Burton visited one of those today. Paul, mighty hot in there.
Yeah, there's no doubt that it's hot in Boston, but for school buildings that have no AC, it's extremely hot for students, teachers, and staff, where focusing on academics and trying to stay cool in the classroom is a lesson itself. With temperatures reaching nearly 100 degrees in Boston, folks are wondering what happened to spring.
We kind of get that around here, that you'll have a 50-degree day followed by a 90-degree day, and you just roll with it.
At Cristo Boston High School in Dorchester, the students are doing their best to manage this sweltering heat. Like many schools in Boston, Cristo does not have any air conditioning, making this 100-year-old brick building a bit toasty inside.
Yeah, it can get into the 90s in the building. Has 3 floors, it has the high ceilings, and just really retains heat once the building gets hot.
Fans were blowing inside classrooms as students worked hard to stay focused.
Hot days like this, it's kind of tough with no AC.
Staff also provided extra bottles of water to keep the kids hydrated.
I mean, the heat outside, I feel like it's manageable because there's the wind, but then inside it feels a little just tight and burdening because we also have to go through quizzes, exams. There's no excuse.
The school also allowed students to take a break from their dress code, allowing shorts and t-shirts during these unseasonably hot days. They hope one day to have an AC unit installed to make for a better learning environment.
It would give us a lot more flexibility. We could do more summer programming with the students. We could do a lot more work with students, after hours.
With many of their graduating seniors heading to schools like Princeton, Northeastern, and Holy Cross, their academic standard is as high as this record heat.
It's a little bit difficult at times, but teachers definitely help with that. Sometimes they'll take breaks or they'll try to find fans around the room.
I feel like it would be able to allow us to study better, just learn better, because the hot weather can be a little disruptive. But I think it's still okay because one of our core values is perseverance, so we still push through it.
Just some fantastic students at Cristo Boston doing some amazing things. Coming up at 6, what people here in the city of Boston are doing to try and keep cool in this extremely hot temperatures. Live in Boston, I'm Paul Burton, WBZ News.
Yeah, it is not easy. Paul, thank you. Stay with the WBZ team through this next weather alert with updates on WBZ TV, CBS News Boston, and WBZ.com. And you can count on us to warn you about what is coming next.